Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is kind of starting to get dark. It's around 6 o'clock in the evening and I have been working on my laptop all day writing some recipes for you guys. We'll share very soon. And I kind of knew today is going to be a busy day, so I prepared some extra rice last night when I was cooking dinner so that I could make a quick fried rice today. So I am making a chicken and tender stem broccoli rice. It's super quick to make, literally minutes. I haven't timed it, but it shouldn't take more than 10-15 minutes to make it. Also, it's so healthy. It's got chicken, it's got broccoli, and it's got rice that I had cooked yesterday. And yeah, I always have the sauces. If you've tried any of the fried rice before, any of my fried rice before, you would have some leftover sauces in the fridge. So let's get cooking. Let's not waste any more time. And don't forget to subscribe before you start watching me cook. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell button so you get notification every time I share a new recipe. I have one of my best chicken curry recipes coming to you guys this weekend, so stay tuned. I have got here four chicken thighs, boneless and skinless, and I'm just gonna chop them up into bite-sized pieces. So bite-sized pieces so that they are quick to cook. So just like that, I'm just going to chop these four thighs into bite-sized pieces. So the chicken is chopped and ready, so I'm going to get the pan nice and hot. So I also want to add some greens to the rice. Sorry, I was going to say noodles there. So I've just washed it and I'm just going to chop it up. So you could add absolutely anything. This is what I had at home right now. So this is what I'm going to use. Also, I absolutely love sprouting, and just going to chop it up so it cooks quickly. So you could use beans, you could use sugar snap peas. Yeah, I tend to use anything available to me. So nice hot pan, and then I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm cooking for 4 people, and I'm just going to let this get nice and hot before I add anything. And while the oil is heating, I'm just going to very quickly grate 2 to 3 garlic cloves. So the oil is hot. I'm just going to throw in all the garlic first. Just give it a second to kind of sizzle up. And look, it's starting to change color. I'm going to add some chilies. You could use red or green, whatever you like. I've got a yellow one in here. And once that's sizzling, I'm going to add in the chicken. And I've got the heat on high. Just going to continue to cook this on high heat for a couple of minutes. Oops, lost a piece. I'm just going to give it 2 minutes now. And when it starts to cook, you can see it's changing color from pink to white. That's when I'm going to add the greens, because the greens need to cook as well. Just let it cook on high heat. So I'm going to give this 5 minutes now. And actually, I'm just going to put a lid on. We're going to make it quicker. Look, it already looks great. So it's been exactly 5 minutes. The chicken is looking good, the tender stem broccoli is looking good, and look, it's got a little bit of color as well. You know, this color just doesn't mean color, it means flavor. It means more flavor to the dish we are preparing. That is looking beautiful. It's time for the sauces. Teaspoon of dark soy sauce, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, I've got a really hot chili sauce in here. I'm gonna, maybe just add half first. I'm gonna leave it on this side and see if I need a bit more. A teaspoon of vinegar. I'm just using plain white vinegar. Good mix. A teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to add 600 grams of cooked rice or 2 bowlfuls. So that's all the cooked rice which I made yesterday. It's been in the fridge, and all that's left to do is give it a good stir. Also going to add just a sprinkle of black pepper, like a quarter teaspoon, and just stir this on high heat. Oh, look at that. From start to finish, this has taken me maybe 15 minutes tops. Obviously, I had the rice ready, but I kind of have cooked rice in the fridge most of the times, because whenever I make some rice, I make a bit extra because I can kind of make quick meals like this with the leftover. Oh, it smells so good. It's time to plate it out. So I am gonna serve this up, obviously in a much bigger plate than this. This is just me quickly tasting for you guys. Then I'm gonna sit down with my kids and enjoy it with them. Look at that. Smells so good. I have to kind of scoop down and talk to you guys here. Right. Again, very hot, but this leftover chili sauce I'm going to add to my plate because the spice is perfect for the kids. I just need a bit more heat. Oh my god. If you serve this to me, I would think you've spent so long cooking this, but this tastes absolutely fantastic. A really good 15-minute meal. Yuvi's here for his food. Do you want dinner? Yeah. Right, I'm gonna go serve the kids some food, and I'll see you guys very soon with another new recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.